All right, I'm excited to go through an unboxing of Fleet Complete Vision, our VT230 camera, dash cam. So this is the beautiful package that it comes in, Fleet Complete cake box here, and open it up and it's nicely packed like this. Take off the top here, take off the secure foam that it's in, pull the camera out. It's in a nice little bag here, and I'll simply pull this out here now. And let's get some of the accessories or components that come with it out as well. So we have the OBD cable that plugs into the dash cam. We have some wire ties. We have some cable hangers to mount the cable along the windshield and the ceiling of the vehicle. We have this tamper-resistant cover for the cable that's plugged into the dash cam, and we have the windshield mount. We also have this little Allen key that comes with it, so you have all the tools you need to do the install. There's a cleaning wipe to wipe the windshield where you're going to mount the camera mount so it's nice and clean and mounts perfectly. And we have a simple step-by-step installation guide for FC Vision with our 1-800 number, our support email address, so you have everything you need to easily install this dash cam. If you go into the installation guide, it shows you the simple steps, basically a few simple steps, very easy to understand. You can also scan one of the QR codes or go right to our website that it takes you to, where you can see some videos on how to install Vision. All right, here we are with the VT230 dash cam. This is just a beautiful hardware design. I believe we have one of the most advanced, user-friendly to install dash cam hardware devices in the market. So as you can see, this camera has two cameras, an in-cab facing camera right here, and an outward facing forward camera. So this would mount on your windshield, and depending on the angle of the windshield, for example, a sport car has a pretty aggressive angle, whereas a bus or a truck may have a very vertical windshield. You can adjust each camera independently so that based on the angle, you have the camera pointed in the right direction to get the horizon of the road and the right angle facing in-cab to the driver. So once you have adjusted each camera so that it fits perfectly, you tighten these two screws here basically with the tool provided, and it tightens each camera so it can't easily be adjusted to avoid tampering of the angle. Once you get the angle corrected, you tighten this and it helps avoid tampering of the angle. The other cool thing about this design is once you have it installed in the vehicle, you simply mount, or after you have it mounted, you plug in this device. So this is one end. And the other end of this cable, and this cable is long enough, it's probably about 4 or 5 feet, enough to go from the center of the windshield all the way down to where your OBD connection is, and they're in various places in the vehicle, but this cable certainly not long enough to handle all those different scenarios. And once you have it mounted correctly, you use this to simply cover the plug here. I'll show you how that works. Simple as that. And then again, with the tool, you simply screw this down and it makes the cable tamper resistant. So you can't unplug the cable because it's now secured in. So this is a beautiful design that allows for the camera to be mounted anywhere on the windshield in any sort of type of windshield. And thanks to the ability to change the angle of both cameras, the forward facing and the in-cab facing, and then tighten them so that they can't be tampered, and then protect that cable. It makes this a very tamper-resistant, flexible hardware design. In addition, we have this button here that the driver can push, and that creates a manual recording. So for example, if the driver witnesses something in front of them, like maybe there was a collision in the intersection that they were stopped at, or some sort of event in front of them, they could push this button and it will send to the cloud, to the Fleet Complete cloud, a few seconds of video from before when they push the button and a few seconds of video after they push the button. So if the event had happened and then they push the button, you'll still capture that event, and it's a manual recording basically. This is a beautiful hardware design, nice and sleek, very flexible, easy to install, and we'll show you in another video how it works on the road. That was a quick unboxing of the Vision VT230 Advanced AI Dashcam.